The nominees for 2008 Add to Member of the Year are Seth Gunderson, SHS, Kyle Rohde from ER Marketing, and Lauren Townsend from Grapevine Design. These nominees were presented to the Add to membership and to honor one of the members of Member of the Year. This year's 2008 Add to Member of the Year is Lauren Townsend.
Ladies and gentlemen, please go to the exits in an orderly manner. Please leave the ballroom in an orderly manner. Thank you. The Addy Show will resume when all is clear. Gentlemen, the Addy Show now continues. Please welcome back to the stage Mr. Ron Meyer.
Well, that was fun. We'd like to thank Byrne Advertising for sponsoring that fire alarm.